this one is definitely a beautiful property that is ready to just drop your stuff and live here. There's literally nothing that needs to be done to this property. It is fully redone. It's currently a vacation property and it is on sale right now. It's a fairly good sized property. So without further ado, let's go in and check it out. Okay, so nice wooden doors, solid, beautiful. It's just nice craftsmanship all the way around. The way they put it in with the little stone ledge on the front. You come in, tile throughout the place. So there's two ways to go to this, and we're going to start off in the main living area. So we're going to head into the right. So this is the living room and kitchen. It is fairly large size. We're going to verify just to make 100% sure that they're also leaving the appliances because the other part is built in. So I don't think they're going to be taking that, but we're going to verify if any of the furniture stays besides, the kitchen side, if they're going to leave all that. It has a pellet stove. We noticed there's a whole bunch of pellet fuel upstairs. We'll have to find out if they're leaving that as well, which will make a lot of sense. But there's bags and bags of it. If they did leave that, that would be great for whoever is getting this. You would have enough fuel for a long time. The views on this, I don't even know what to say. They are spectacular. I mean, when you get out here, it is crazy. So you see the bridge that's back there. So that's a railroad bridge, and you can see the railroad tracks going on further down there. It's an insane view here. It's so beautiful. The entire town, rooftops, everything is just so beautiful and old. The windows are new, double glazed, solid wood. I mean, it is very, very beautiful. You really don't have to do anything. You just have to come here, move in, and start using the property. And it has a main bathroom down here. This is the only bathroom that has a shower available. If you come in here, it has enough room for everything. Got a sink, bidet, toilet. The shower gives you enough space to move around. So it is a good space. And you have a beautiful view while you're taking a shower. You're looking at the mountains, which is really beautiful, or while you're, doing whatever you're doing in here. Okay, so let's go to the next part. I don't know what I would do with this room. I would probably just leave it kind of like a lounger emergency bed or something. Pellet stove on this side. There's not much going on here except for a little bit of storage on this side for some wood. For the fireplace, that's on the main entrance room, the main living room. Then we have the stairs that go up to the bedroom. So we'll go all the way up this way. Got to watch your head. I mean, you have to be very tall to bump into that. I don't feel like I would have to worry about that. It's got a tiny window over there. This is the storage area that I was referring to. So you have enough room to put all kinds of things in there. And you can see bags and bags and bags of pellets. So if you're lucky, they may just leave them here. That would be amazing. All right. And then to the bedroom. Now, bedroom is enough for a dresser, enough for a bed, stove. It's cute, it's quaint. But what's crazy about this, you wake up in the morning and you look out the window. You have a tiny balcony up here and you're looking again at the mountains. So everything is facing the mountains, which is really beautiful. The other part that is great about this bedroom up here, they managed which is really cool. They're so creative here when it comes to this kind of stuff. They managed to put an ensuite little bathroom in here, which is nice because if you have to go in there, you can just open this up and go. You don't have to go all the way back downstairs. And it's got a little fan in there so it draws out since it doesn't have a window. Has a tiny little sink for you. And it has everything that you need if you need to go at night. So it's very practical. So that really tops it off for me when it comes to properties and stuff like that. If you have like an ensuite bathroom, it's definitely very, very important to have. You know, ensuites are kind of hard to find here. So if a property does come with one, always a big plus. So let's kind of go over the data on this property. It is a good sized property. Surprising, you know, when I first saw this side, I thought it was a little bit smaller, but it's 94 square meters. That is the listed space, the 94 square meters. I think it's usable space once you kind of get past, you know, some of the encroachments from the angles. It gets a little bit less, but they have it listed at 94, which is nice. It's got 2 bathrooms and then, you know, that 1 bedroom, that kind of room down here, and then the main living room. And it is currently listed at 46,000 euros. In this town, that's a pretty nice deal. Completely renovated and finished. You don't have to do anything here. You just come and enjoy living the Italian lifestyle. Slow down a bit, piano, piano, and enjoy. So again, like always, leave us a like, subscribe, hit the bell, and we love all the comments, questions, whatever you have, just drop it down below. We read every one of them and reply to every one of them. So we'll see you in the next one, and thanks for watching. Bye.